The Golden Jubilee celebration of the ICAR Research Complex in Umyam kicked off today with the inauguration of the Farmers Expo 2025 by the Union Minister for Rural Development, Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Shivraj Singh Chouhan and the Governor of Meghalaya CH Shankar in the presence of Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and other dignitaries.
The official inaugural ceremony was held at the M.S. Swaminathan Conference Hall. Speaking on the occasion, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma lauded the ICAR Research Complex for North Eastern Hill Region Umyam for its efforts and contributions to agricultural advancements. He appreciated the centre's initiatives to support the state of Meghalaya and the Northeast. He also stressed on the need to pay attention to logistics network and logistic hubs, including food processing, cluster development programs, among others, to help farmers and the farming community from the region.
And ICAR has developed over 100 crop varieties, introduced high-yielding livestock breeds, and promoted sustainable practices such as integrated and organic farming.
Union Minister for Rural Development, Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Shivraj Singh Chouhan, addressed the gathering and was all praise for Meghalaya, the Northeast and its offerings. He said that Meghalaya and the Northeast has the potential to become a vegetable and fruit hub of the country.
Department, Sarkar और ICR ये हर 3 महीने में एक बैठक मस्ट है, आपस में बैठेंगे और बैठ के तय करेंगे. कोऑर्डिनेशन इज मस्ट. नहीं तो काम सब चाहते हैं, एक दाएं चल रहा है, एक बाएं चल रहा है, एक सीधा चल रहा है, उससे काम नहीं चलेगा. केवीके, एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी, एग्रीकल्चर कॉलेज, हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट, सरकार के डिपार्टमेंट.
During the occasion, Governor C.H. Shankar released 3 books and inaugurated the Institute video film and virtually inaugurated the Farmers Training Hostel in Imphal, Manipur. The governor called upon a collective effort to ensure food security. He lauded the curcumin content in turmeric from Meghalaya while calling the state the hub of tourism and the hub of Ayurveda.
Government of India has launched many schemes such as PM Kisan Samman Nidhi, Kusum Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana, Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture, Oilseed Mission, National Livestock Mission, National Agriculture Market.
Meanwhile, President Draupadi Murmu virtually addressed the Golden Jubilee celebration. The celebration highlights the ICAR Research Complex's contributions to agricultural advancements and its commitment to supporting farmers in the region. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.
Team DD Meghalaya also caught up with some of the farmers